That sinkhole in Seoul is just terrible. A motorcyclist died.
Yeah, I saw the news. It's pretty scary how the ground just opened up like that.
This is what happens when you have too much government regulation, slowing down infrastructure projects.
Are you kidding? This happened because of a lack of proper oversight and maintenance.
I read that there were signs of ground shifting before it happened. Didn't anyone notice?
Apparently, people complained, but nothing was done. It's a failure of the system.
The system works fine. You can't prevent every accident.
But we can certainly do better. We need stricter safety measures and more frequent inspections.
More red tape? That'll just make everything more expensive and slow.
Guys, can we focus on the facts? What actually caused the sinkhole?
They're still investigating. But it could be related to nearby construction projects.
See? Progress comes with risks. You can't make an omelet without breaking a few eggs.
We're talking about human lives here, not eggs.
I heard sinkholes can also be caused by natural factors like heavy rain.
Exactly. Sometimes it's just Mother Nature. Not everything is the government's fault.
But we can prepare for natural disasters too. That's what good governance is about.
Good governance? More like nanny state overreach.
What do you think needs to be done to prevent this in the future?
Regular checks of underground structures. Better monitoring, and quick response to complaints.
And who's going to pay for all that? The taxpayers, as usual.
It's worth it if it saves lives. We can't put a price on safety.
It does seem like a complex issue with no easy solutions.
The solution is simple: less government interference. More personal responsibility.
That's just code for, let corporations do whatever they want.
I think we can all agree that we don't want to see this happen again, right?
Sinkhole.
싱크홀.
That sinkhole in Seoul is just terrible.
That sinkhole in Seoul is just terrible.
Government regulation.
정부 규제.
This is what happens when you have too much government regulation.
This is what happens when you have too much government regulation.
Oversight.
감독.
A lack of proper oversight and maintenance.
A lack of proper oversight and maintenance.
Mother Nature.
자연의 힘.
Sometimes it's just Mother Nature.
Sometimes it's just Mother Nature.
Good governance.
좋은 거버넌스.
That's what good governance is about.
That's what good governance is about.
Nanny state.
보모 국가.
More like nanny state overreach.
More like nanny state overreach.
Put a price on.
가격을 매기다.
We can't put a price on safety.
We can't put a price on safety.
Personal responsibility.
개인 책임.
More personal responsibility.
More personal responsibility.
sinkhole.
싱크홀.
That sinkhole in Seoul is just terrible.
That sinkhole in Seoul is just terrible.
Code for.
무엇의 다른 표현이야.
That's just code for.
That's just code for.
Complex issue.
복잡한 문제.
It does seem like a complex issue with no easy solutions.
It does seem like a complex issue with no easy solutions.